Welcome back to First Printing Breaks, guys. I'm T. Again, back here. We've got something fun today. We got another box of SP Authentic 22-23. Pretty good bit of luck last time. We got the Dylan Gunther pretty much right off the bat last time. So let's get into it and see what we get. All right, so we're gonna pull these out real quick. And I guess this time we're gonna start on the right. Got Jonathan Quick there, the winningest American goalie of all time. Ryan Strome, limited red, Sidney Crosby. True leaders of Huberdeau. Okay, again, there's an auto there. We're gonna place that to the side, come back to it later. Really got to start checking for that, like seeing on the edges there and stuff. Okay, so we've got Patty Laine, Vitek Vanacek, Suzuki, a limited red future watch of Eric Shelgren, SP Top Rookies of Elmer Soderblom, future watch, let's see, what is that, 164 through 99, limited blue? Interesting. Moritz Seider, Kinnan, and Lundell. Really trying to check for that stuff so we don't run into anything off the bat again. We got Panarin, Drysdale, now Flyer, Yossi, SP Top Rookie of Matt Boldy, a Spectrum FX of Ovechkin. This is, yep, it's a redemption card. Pageantry of Jordan Spence. He's really going to have a big season coming up, especially with Drew Doughty now confirmed to be hurt for the first several months of the season. So looking forward to see what he does. Mitch Marner, Austin Matthews, Dylan Cousins. The chaos opening. Got Soros himself, Norris, just peeking. Now we should be good. Josh Norris, Tom Wilson, Kopi, limited red, one of my favorite guys ever. Jacob Perreault, SP Top Rookies, a future watch, Spectrum FX of Jack McBain. I'm honestly gonna have to look at how many of these you actually have to have. Only got like 3 of them, maybe. Heiskanen, JVR, and Taves, who is now retired. Brandon Saad, a name I haven't heard in a little while. Okay. Stammer, Nashville Predator now. Ekblad, a limited red future watch of Matthias Michelli. True leaders of Okposo. Okay. So we know it's a Lightning player. Okay. Bunting, Hedman, and Fleury. Let's see. Let's pull out Mr. Shebach so that we can find out what it is that we got. Yeah, it's a... who... I don't actually recognize who this is. Cole Koepke, Future Watch, 126 of 399. This is a retro Future Watch. Lovely. Not always the names that you're gonna look for, but I'll be honest, like with SPX getting multiple autos per, it's worth it. Okay. Got Clayton Keller, Sid the Kid again, Kopi again. I'm seeing a pattern here. Teuvo Teravainen, Future Watch, or not Future Watch, Limited Red. Collaborations of Zegras and Troy Terry. Pageantry of Kuznetsov, Bailey, Caulfield, and Fox. Got Kyle Connor, Teuvo, Brad the Rat, Future Watch, Limited Red, Wyatt Johnston. Braden Schneider, SP Top Rookies, a pageantry of Bobby Orr. That's kind of fun. Was not expecting that. Seth Jarvis, McCarr, and Mark Stone. Okay. John Gibson, Ducks. Not been doing super well, and that's totally fine with me. Matty Tkachuk, Stanley Cup champion. Alex Barkov, Stanley Cup champion. Chirography of Mason McTavish. Interesting. Chirography. You might have hit a lucky box here. Because from what I'm seeing, this would be the third autograph, if I'm correct. Which would be a pretty loaded box of SPA. I'm not going to complain about that. Let me go ahead and top load this other one real quick. The power of video editing. And there's Kepke. Now on to the next. Okay, still creeping, looking. Jack Hughes, Draisaitl, the $14 million man. Kirby Doc, a limited red, Kyle Connor. Jonathan Kovacevic, pageantry of Jonathan Berggren. Alex DeBrincat, Tanner Jeannot, one of the newest Kings as well, and Jordan Kyrou. Last pack, and then we'll take a look at what this Future Watch is. Okay. Just creeping. Okay. Vasilevsky, Matt Barzal. Got William Karlsson there. Nick Perbix, limited red Future Watch. True Leaders of Crosby. Pageantry of Kopitar. Very nice. McDavid, Philip Grubauer, and Forsberg. Now, time has come. Pull from the back here. We've got Merzlikins, Tomas Hertl, who is now a Golden Knight. Andrei Svechnikov. Pageantry, Miro Heiskanen, limited red. Okay, come on, Martin, give us something good. Give me Brandt Clark. If you give me Brandt Clark, I will be happy. That is definitely not Brandt Clark. It's a blue. William Bitton, Will Bitton, Future Watch, retro. So we did not actually get a base Future Watch. We got 2 retros, but we got that third auto. Not the greatest names, if I'm going to be honest, but 3 hard signed autos is sort of hard to complain about. Well, there you have it, guys. Our 3 highlights of the box. Got Will Bitton, 292 of 699. A 126 of 399. Future Watch Retro of Cole Koepke. And this Mason McTavish Chirography. Not numbered. Other than that, we just have our pageantries and limited reds. Nothing super crazy. Some names in here that I like. The Spectrum FXs. Probably won't get around to that, to be honest. Limited blue. Alright guys, well if you like that and you want to see more content coming your way soon, please give us a like, subscribe, comment. We always get back to comments. You can also email us. That is in our channel description and for our description for every video. Thank you guys again so much. We'll see you again soon.